Okay, let's continue on with our blend modes by going to overlay. What overlay mode does is it takes a look at the pixels that are in the middle regions between the lightest and darkest and then lets you see through them. Soft light is like one of those really nice soft light bulbs that you'll put in a lamp in your house. So you get these really nice desaturated but soft feeling in your light. Hard light is very interesting because it bumps the saturation and it's like putting in a stronger wattage in your lamp. And what we have next is linear light. Now, linear light is like hard light, but a little bit more subdued, and it gives you very strong brightness values in your pixels. Pin light is the mode for creating a feeling of abruptness in the values between light and hard modes. So as you can see, it focuses on a very hard transition between the brightness values. So it's really not very subtle at all. Hard mix is very interesting. It takes all the colors in the image and knocks them down to the primary colors found in both RGB and CMYK, including black and white. This is a nice effect to use when you want to create something like the Andy Warhol style for pop art. What we're going to do now is take a look at difference. Difference inverts the colors so they look like an X-ray, and it looks really kind of interesting. Exclusion works like difference. It's just a little softer. And of course, we have some other blend modes down here, which pretty much focus on retaining a particular aspect of a layer. As you can see here, you can tell what's going to happen based on the name. So you can work with hue, saturation, color, and luminosity. And what luminosity will do is it will look at the light values and mix it with the layer underneath it. What happens is it picks up the colors from the layers beneath the image, while on the layers on the top, they are dropped down onto their own colors. So it's a little weird how it works, but you get this really almost black and white feel, but it's very, very harsh and very dramatic. So that is a look at how to use the blend modes. Once again, there are quite a few to choose from, so feel free to experiment with them and see which ones you like. Don't forget, by the way, as always, you can always emphasize a blend mode by duplicating the layer. And you can really affect how it's going to affect the layer underneath it. So I can go ahead and take this a couple times and duplicate it and really darken that.